Today we are visiting the beautiful Dutch town of Gouda, or as it's pronounced in Dutch, Gouda. We arrived by train and started our journey right here at Gouda station. Known round the world for its famous cheese, Gouda is also a charming historic town with beautiful streets, canals and plenty of character. So let's explore Gouda together and see what this little Dutch town has to offer. I came here for the cheese market, however. So this is my biggest travel fail this trip. We have come to Gouda to see the cheese market. And guess what? The cheese market is not on today. It's a ceramics market and all the shops are completely closed because it's Ascension Day, isn't it? Now I knew about Ascension Day when it was closed and I checked online and some blog said it was the 29th. And so now we're here on the 14th, everything closed, no cheese market. I'm a flipping Temple Seeker travel blogger as well, I should know about Ascension Day. So anyway, we will be back next Thursday for the cheese market. Good job we stayed for 2 weeks. So what do you do when you get to Gouda and there is no cheese market on? Well, the answer is fried fish. Gouda is filled with lovely cheese shops, and of course you can't visit the town without taking home some traditional Gouda cheese as a souvenir. You'll find all kinds of varieties, from young to mild to aged and full of flavour. And many shops offer cheese tastings too. This is Markt, Gouda's beautiful historic town square, and it's also where the famous Gouda Cheese Market takes place. For centuries, cheese has been traded right here, and today the square still comes alive with this traditional Dutch market. Great news everybody, back in Gouda. And we are here for the second time and the cheese market is actually on. There's plenty of atmosphere too, with live music, local performers, and of course lots of cheese. It's such a lovely place to wander around, soak up the history and enjoy the lively atmosphere. I don't think I've ever seen this much cheese in my entire life. If you can, get to the cheese market for about 9:30 in the morning when they're starting to set up, because then what you'll see is you'll see them bringing all the cheeses in with the horse and carts. They bring them on the wagons. So they started to pack away now. They pack away around midday, but you'll get some great views. And here we have the impressive Sint-Janskerk, or St John's Church, one of Gouda's most important historic landmarks. The church has medieval origins, but much of the building that we see today dates from the 15th and 16th centuries. What makes Sint-Janskerk especially famous are its incredible stained glass windows, many of which were created during the 16th century. These windows have survived the religious upheavals of the Reformation, and they're now one of the church's greatest treasures. The church is also an important part of Gouda's history, reflecting the wealth and the importance of the city gained during its golden period of trade and commerce. The church is built in the traditional Gothic style, with tall, elegant proportions and large pointed windows designed to fill the interior with light. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed exploring the beautiful town of Gouda with us. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and join us for more adventures around the world. See you in the next one.